guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking you guys on my onsen experience that I had when I was in Japan. What an onsen is, it's basically a hot spring bath that you can take when you're in Japan, because Japan has a bunch of thermal springs under it because it's a very volcanic continent. So they have a lot of springs underneath the ground that they can filter this hot spring water up into their bathtubs slash onsen public bathhouses. And you guys, my hotel had a public onsen that you could go into for free anytime you want since you are staying at their hotel. So let's go ahead and dive right into this experience because it is an experience. So at my hotel, they had an onsen on the 17th floor and it was separated by male and female. So one side was for males while the other side was for females. So the first thing you see when you walk in is a little section for where you have to put your shoes because you're not allowed to go in with your shoes. Spoiler alert, you're actually not allowed to go in the onsen with any clothing at all. You have to go in naked. You cannot wear your bathing suit. No, off limits. You have to go in naked. So once you walk into the little locker room, you'll see that there's a little spot where you can do some laundry. They have a laundry machine and a dryer, but the dryer doesn't really work, so you have to hang your clothes up, but that's for another story. So once you put everything in the locker, including your towel and everything, you will be ready to go into the onsen. Just put the key on your wrist and you're ready to go. So let's go on in together. So the thing about the onsen is you basically have to shower and clean yourself off with soap before you go into the actual onsen. So it can be as clean as possible for everybody involved because you don't want to be going in dirty beforehand because that's just gross. It's just going to contaminate the water for everyone. So you have to clean yourself before you go in. So they do have a shower for you to use if you want, if you're lucky to get it. But if you want to get the full experience, I would recommend not using the shower and actually using the little cleaning stations that they provide for you. So at this particular onsen, they do have a bunch of different little stations that you can sit at and wash yourself with, and also this particular onsen provides pretty much everything for you. So they provide shampoo, conditioner, and body wash for you to use. But if you're like me, you probably brought your own stuff, then you can bring that in with you to use as well. So you're just gonna wanna do your normal routine, get clean, wash all the soap off, and then guess what, guys? It's time to go in the actual onsen. So this onsen actually had two different kinds of baths. The first bath that they had was inside the building where the washing station was. So what you wanna do before you get into the bath to get used to the water is they actually have a little station with a bucket that you can pour the water on yourself, and this is actually called Kakeyu, and this is the term used for getting used to the water before you get in, so it's not like a shock to the system. But if you like your water nuclear hot, you don't have to do this. You can just jump on in. Side note, you want to make sure if you have long hair that you put it up in a ponytail slash a bun because you don't want to get any of your hair into the onsen because, again, cleanliness is key. So the inside onsen is really nice because it's about 100 degrees and they have jets in the onsen. So if you want to have more of like a hot tub experience, this is the bath for you. But if you don't really like jets, don't worry, we have another section for you. So once you've enjoyed the inside baths, it's now time to go outside and enjoy the open air baths. Now this was an experience. This was my favorite part of all of the bathhouse because you get to enjoy the elements of the outside with your bath. So it was raining this day, so it was extra special. So when you go outside, there are 3 baths that you can go into. They have 2 individual baths for 1 person per bath. And then they also have another rectangular bath that does not have jets and is a little bit hotter than the inside bath. So if you like your baths really hot, you will love this. As you can see, these little circular baths are so cute. The water actually refills every time somebody goes in. So like when I got into the bath, the water like went everywhere and then it just automatically refilled the water, which was so nice. The rectangular bath was nice as well. It was just so nice sitting in the bath while getting the raindrops dripped on you at the same time. It was so good. I loved it. Basically, that's the whole onsen experience. So now let's go back inside and I will show you the getting ready portion of the onsen. So once you go back into the little locker room, this is when you can take everything out of your locker and use it. So let's go into the little area where you can get ready. I'll give you a little tour of all the things that they have in there. They have a lot. So what was particularly nice about this onsen was they had a really nice getting ready station. So if you wanted to come to this hotel and not bring any of your stuff and you just wanted to come here, they do provide a lot of products for you. So let's get into it. So they provide a hair dryer for you, which is really nice because like I'm not bringing a hair dryer with me. It's gonna be too much and I don't even think it would work. They also provide you with their very own skincare that you could use. They basically provide you with a toner, moisturizer, face cleanser, hand wash, Q-tips, basically whatever you need to get ready, they have it. So that's pretty much the whole tour of the Get Ready With Me station. And once you're done getting ready, congratulations, you just did the whole onsen experience. Did you guys like it? Would you guys do this? Let me know in the comments down below if you would be brave enough to go in the onsen yourself, because I would do it every single day if I could. It was pretty much the number one thing that I loved the most about my whole Japan trip was the onsen. Literally, number one thing that I did. If you guys never knew what an onsen was, I hope I was able to educate you and tell you a little bit about it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!